How to fix Instagram story problem. Hi guys, so first thing, open the settings and then go to the apps manager. When you open the apps manager on this page, you will find the apps that you have on your phone. So all what you want to do is wait a few seconds and then scroll until you find Instagram. Click on it like this, click on force stop, and then click on the data usage. Disable the background data and make sure that all the other options are enabled. Go back, click on storage, click on clear cache. Now go back to the settings on your phone, go to the wireless and networks, enable the airplane mode for 3 seconds, and after that disable it. Don't forget to like, subscribe.